Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us. Not in our beloved 1 hour chart, but this is the 15-minute chart to understand our levels better. And we can see that gold is almost trading around 3150. Gold hits new all-time high amid looming US tariffs. Gold steady near all-time high as Trump's tariff plans steer inflation. Woo! So my dear friend, tomorrow is a big day. Okay, so market is waiting. Not only gold. Okay, in fact, all the markets around the world are waiting for tomorrow, 2nd April, because US President Donald Trump will be talking about tariffs. And it may change the direction of the markets, not only this market, all the markets completely. So tomorrow is a big day. So my dear friend, be careful and do not go for big lots right now. If you have any ongoing position, that's a different chapter. But right now, if you're looking for fresh position, then try to avoid big lots because gold index or everything is trading in a very dangerous zone territory right now. And gold is super bullish, as we all know. So if you have any buy, okay, hold your buy position. We have been following the trend of the market for a long time, and gold has really rewarded us very well. So if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position with your stop loss below 3100. And if you're looking for a fresh position as a swing trader, position trader, then obviously this is not the right time. Okay, tomorrow there is a possibility that market may drop because a correction is extremely important right now, very much needed. Okay, so we may see some correction on the chart of gold tomorrow. Then you can look for a better discounted position as a swing trader or positional trader. But right now, if you're looking for a fresh position, it should be a day trade or overnight trade only, not a swing or position trade. If you have any ongoing trade, that's a good thing. Many of you have texted me, messaged me. I also see in the comment section that you're holding buys from 2,700 to 1,800. God level patience. Okay. So congrats, guys. So hold your buys with your stop loss below 3100. And those who are looking for fresh position in the market, same old strategy. Buy at dip, buy at retracement, or if market doesn't come for retracement, we will be looking for buy at breakout. Same strategy till tomorrow. Okay. So you can see that I have drawn many lines here. So let's try to understand them one by one. So first of all, if there's an accident during the US session, if market drops big time, then obviously 3100 is a round number. It's a psychological support. We can expect 3100 to work. But we have seen in the last couple of days that gold is not coming down for proper correction. Gold is not coming down for proper retracement. So we can expect 3125, 3126 to provide support to the market as well. Why? Remember 312526 no, worked as a resistance yesterday. So the same level will be working as a new support for the market. So on the chart of gold, okay, obviously 3100 is a better number, best number, but practically 312526 is the next best support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy if market comes for retreat. And in this situation, 3125 also seems to be far away, 312526. So we can also focus on immediate levels, the dotted lines here. But keep in mind, these dotted lines or the immediate levels are weak levels. Means they will not work during the US session. Chances are very less. Why? Because the US session brings volume. And when volume comes, then weak levels, they do not work. So the first level where we can look for a buy position as a day trader is around 3140. Okay, this dotted line, and I think okay, chances are very less that it will work next time, but still it is there. Second level is around 3137 and 3130. So these are the three immediate levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. 3140, okay, very weak level, chances are very less. Personally, I'll be looking for buy around 3130 and 3137 during the European session. Okay, chances are a little less here. Okay, so these are the levels here, and how okay we have derived them. Let me show you, so guys, so that you can also learn. See, this is our FIBO, beloved FIBO here. Okay, when we are considering this particular low, because this is a significant one, we can see that 3137, 3136 is the FIBO 0.236, and 3130 is the FIBO 38.2% retracement level. That's it. Okay. And when we are considering the immediate low of the market, then we are getting 3140. So that's why I said that 3140 is a much weaker level. Personally, 3137, 3130, they seem to be a good one. Okay. And 312526 is the best level. So on the chart of gold, practically we have four levels: 37, 30, 25, 26, and 3100. Clear? So strategy remains the same. If market comes for retracement or market comes for dip, we will be looking for buy position. Chances of trend reversal are almost negligible right now, because tomorrow is a big day. Market is waiting for tomorrow. After tomorrow, if the direction of the market changes, that is the different story. But right now, hoping for a trend reversal, do not take a sell right now. That will be suicidal, because many of you have been taking sell position from 2800, 2900, 3000 level, hoping for a reversal, and you can see that gold is unstoppable, and still we do not have any resistance. Sky is the limit. So as long as gold is bullish, if you really want to make money, then try to follow the trend of the market. You need to respect the trend of the market, otherwise market will throw you out. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then what do we do? Remember, yes, we go for buy and breakout. So here buying and breakout can be risky because market is not giving proper consolidation. In the morning, I got a little greedy and I took a buy, I took a buy here without proper consolidation, and right now I'm in loss. Hopefully, I'll be able to recover because market will be going up. Okay, if market drops also, okay, I will be able to layer here. Okay, and I'm expecting to recover. Anyways, okay. See, I'm sharing this so that you can understand the importance of consolidation. Whenever a breakout comes after consolidation, the breakout is powerful. If you look for any patterns, chart patterns, okay, chart patterns like wedge pattern, pennant, or you can say triangle pattern, you will see the common factor is that before a breakout, consolidation comes. So consolidation is very important. So here, okay, we do not have any proper consolidation right now. So at least we need the market to consolidate for 1 or 2 hours. After that, if any move comes, that will be a bigger and better breakout. So during the day, okay, if we see, or during the European session, if we see market flying above 3150 after 2-3 candles here, then we can look for buy at breakout. But right now, if you see the market is going up, then it's better to avoid, wait and watch. Okay. Let's hope market will go up. I'll be able to exit from a buy position, okay, which I took in the morning after getting ready. But overall, really gold has rewarded us very well, those who follow the trend of the market. Okay. March was fantastic because gold was bullish. That's all, my friends, and be careful. And again, I'm repeating that do not go for big lot sizes, because gold, not only gold, all the markets are running in a very dangerous, fragile zone right now. Wait till tomorrow. After tomorrow, hope markets around the world will take a direction that will continue for the next couple of days and weeks. And obviously, a retracement correction is needed for gold right now. When it is coming, nobody knows. But yes, if you look at a daily chart of gold, okay, this is not at all healthy. Okay, we need a drop. At least we need a correction till 3000 or 2950. But if gold is not coming, we cannot help it, isn't it? Following the trend of the market is the only solution.